try to keep you from bouncing a whole lot. New camera mount I'm working with. I like to be able to change the views. Today we're going to do a valve job on this. Briggs 5-horse flathead. We have some emery paper, fine emery paper. We're going to get all the rust and stuff we can off of the valves and the seats at the same time. We have a valve lapper. We're probably going to be using the smaller of these two. Get this out of the package here. Maybe. Alright. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna work. So I'll put that away for when we get the bigger ones. A little one, I think these are different sizes. Each one's a different size. So this is probably the size for us right here. Looks like it. Even this one, probably. This is the smaller intake valve. The larger one will probably use the bigger end of this. All right, and we have some Permamex valve grinding compound. Also not opened yet. Last time we were here, we machined the block using the old school machine method. Carol fixes all, just sticky sandpaper on a flat surface and work it around. Surfaces still look absolutely wonderful. It's still cold, miserable out, so we're in the garage again with the Compton's Shenanigans channel. So to start with, we're going to take our appropriate valve and going to cut a slit or rip a slit into our emery cloth so that it fits around the valve like so. We'll actually split this in half just like that, and then we'll drop her in there. We'll give her a spin. Just like that. Just enough to get all the dirt and rust off of it. Really didn't. Looks like it's getting more of the edges, and hopefully that grinding compound will help get us a nice line across. We will flip this around, do it the other way, the mating surface. We'll just kind of work it around a couple times, make sure it's clean. Clean enough, at least for what we're doing. All right, we will do the exhaust valve same. It's harder than it looks. Exhaust valve really doesn't have a lot of room under here for your fingers. That's still got a nice ring around it. It looks like it's kind of grooved in. I don't think it's bad, but it's not the greatest either. It's kind of got a groove worked into it. Grinding compound, I have to make sure we're kind of light on it. With this one, kind of heavier with intake one. All right. Cleaned it up a little bit. Like I said in the previous video, once we get this block finished, we're definitely going to go in and clean it very well. Let's put some of this compound on the edge there. This is like a really gritty paste. Smear it around. It's kind of all covered. Alright, so that's the exhaust side. We'll drop that guy in there. We'll attach our thing and just kind of work it back and forth. Now, funny thing, when just now, it kind of felt like the grittiness and the resistance went away. So I believe we're done with these when that happens. So we will get some more grinding compound on intake one. It really doesn't take much, this stuff. Alright, we'll put this back on the shelf. You might shake a little, maybe not. Alright, we'll drop the intake one in. Make sure we don't get any of this on the shaft there. Don't really want to. Alright. Ooh, fell off. Oh, it's got some compound on it. It doesn't want to stick. Hold on, I'll wipe it off. Nobody told me that was going to be all this work. No, I'm just kidding. I like it. It's not going to stick to it if there's compound on it. But I'm wiping it off. I'm actually wiping more on it. Let me try to raise it up and wipe it off. Here, I think that'll work. Maybe we'll use the bigger one. More. Oops. Suction. Again, it came off. It might be a little chilly for this work because it is just above freezing out. Wipe that off. We want to go around at least twice on this one because it's a lot worse shape than the last one. Yeah, we're having some trouble with that. We'll add a little bit of water to it. you know, how you normally lick something, make it stick better. Not quite working, but it might. It's kind of stuck to it. Continue. Also, the resistance just went away on this one. So just to check our work, we'll kind of wipe this off on the exhaust one. And we see that we have this beautiful fresh groove ring goes around it. That should be the same as this one. Oh, there we go. Now that was sticking pretty good. And we'll see where this one's at. Oh yeah, see that? Nice wide ring all the way around it. That should make very, very, very good compression. Keep compression. Good seal. All right. Well, that concludes the valve job. Now I'm just going to, of course, wash the block really good. Wash the valve really good. In hot soapy water in the house sink. Also going to wash this because we did some machining to it with the sandpaper. I want to make sure this is 100% without metal shavings. And then we're going to take just some light emery cloth to, no, we're not going to take it to nothing. We're good. And yeah, that didn't take long. It was a little expensive getting everything for it, but we've got more motors to do. I'm sure we will get more use out of the stuff. And, well, that was pretty much it. The next video, hopefully, we're reassembling this motor and then checking it, testing it, and seeing if it starts. So, until next time, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Shenanigans, Compton's Shenanigans, means that we're going to be doing all kinds of stuff. Who knows what it's going to be. Whatever it's going to be recorded. We're going to try to keep up on it. If you ring the bell, you'll be notified of a new, pretty much random project video for stuff that needs done around the house, places to go, whatever. So, with that, everybody have a wonderful day, and thank you again for watching.